quick question. What day is it today?
Wait, is it Wednesday? No, wait.
See, it is so hard to remember.
I totally forget every time.
Exactly. And for people learning English, it is really hard too.
Oh, yeah, because the words sound the same.
Yes. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I am Luna.
And I am Lucas, and I don't know what day it is.
Today we are talking about the days of the week.
Okay, good. I need this.
So, 7 days. Easy, right?
No, not easy.
Why? What is the hardest part for you?
Well, Tuesday and Thursday.
Oh, the T days.
Yes, they both start with T. They sound like exactly the same.
Right. Many beginners say this. It is a big problem.
Like someone says, see you on Tuesday. Wait, or Thursday.
Exactly. So let's fix that. Let's make it super easy.
Please.
Okay, let's start at the very beginning.
Monday, the worst day.
Why is it the worst?
Because back to work, so sleepy.
Yes. Fun fact, Monday comes from Moon Day.
Wait, really? The moon in the sky?
Yes, the moon. Think of the moon. It is slow, it is nighttime.
Oh, wow. So Monday is sleepy like the moon.
Exactly. You just want to sleep.
I like that. Sleepy moon day.
Now, Tuesday.
The first tea day.
Right. Tuesday is for Tiyu. He was an old god of war.
A what? War? Like fighting?
Yes, fighting. Tuesday is a fighting day.
Oh, so on Tuesday you have energy.
Yes, Monday is slow. Tuesday, you wake up. You fight the work.
Okay. Monday moon, Tuesday fight.
Good. Now, the middle.
Wednesday. Why ugh?
Because the spelling is crazy.
Oh yeah, Wednesday.
Wednesday, but we just say Wednesday.
It makes no sense.
0 sense. But think of it like a big mountain.
A mountain?
Yeah. Wednesday is the middle of the week, the top of the mountain.
Oh, now I get it. Like you go up Monday, Tuesday.
And Wednesday is the top.
And then you go down.
Exactly. You are at the top looking at the weekend.
That is a really good picture in my head.
Right? It is like a long walk.
So what about Thursday, the other tea day?
Ah, Thursday. This is my favorite
Really? Why?
because it is named after Thor.
Wait, Thor? Like the movie? The guy with the hammer?
Yes, exactly like the movie.
No way. Like the superhero?
Yeah, well, the old god of thunder, Thor. So, Thor's Day, Thursday.
Wow. So I can say happy hammer day?
Yes, happy Hammer Day, Lucas.
I love that. Thursday is very cool.
It is, but then we get to the best day.
Oh, I know this one. Friday.
Yes, Friday. Everyone loves Friday.
Because work is done. We are free.
Exactly. We always say TGIF.
Wait, what? what did you say?
TGIF. It means thank God it's Friday.
Oh, thank God it's Friday. I really like that.
People are so happy on Friday. We even say Friday.
Friday. That is funny.
Yeah. But wait, who is Friday named after?
Oh, I have no idea. Like another god?
Yes, a goddess named Freya, Thor's mom. Wait, no, actually a different goddess.
Oh, okay. So Freya's day. Friday.
You got it. And then the weekend is finally here.
Finally, sleep day.
Yes, Saturday and Sunday.
Wait, why are they called the weekend though?
Because it is the end of the week. Literally, week end.
Oh, duh. That is so simple. I feel silly.
Right? So Saturday. Guess what star or planet it is?
Star. Saturn?
Wow, yes, Saturn's Day.
I am so smart. Saturn day. Saturday.
You are on fire, Lucas.
On fire. So what about Sunday?
I think you know this one too.
Sun day. The sun. Like the big yellow sun in the sky.
Exactly, Sun's Day.
Wow. So Monday is moon. Sunday is sun.
Yep, the week starts with the moon and ends with the sun.
That is actually really beautiful, Luna.
It is, but Sunday has a bad feeling too.
Oh, yes. I know why.
Why? Tell everyone listening.
Because Monday is coming.
Yes, we call it the Sunday scaries.
Sunday scaries? What is that?
It is when you feel scared or sad on Sunday night, just because you have to work tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, yes. I hate the Sunday scaries. You feel it right in your stomach.
Yes, just like a heavy rock. Anyway, let's review.
Okay, let's practice. I need to remember these.
Okay, listeners, say them out loud with us. Monday.
Monday. Moon day.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, today.
Wednesday, the hump day.
Wednesday, the camel day.
Thursday, Thor's day.
Friday, Fry-yay.
Saturday, Saturn day.
And Sunday, Sunday.
Perfect. What is your favorite day, guys? Tell us in the comments below.
And do not forget to subscribe to English Pod Center for more fun. See ya!